Putting out a school magazine is a cool way to learn about magazines and also to develop many skills. Let's see how to write a news story. Step 1. Plan. Meet with the staff to discuss what's happening. Out of the meeting comes your story idea. Step 2. Think. Make a list of what you already know about the subject. Then make a list of what you want to find out. Step 3. Research. Read about the subject, interview an expert. Surf the internet for information. Step 4. Draft. Write down your facts and organize your information. Remember that magazine stories are different from stories that tell a tale. Tale-telling stories are built in a form like this. The pyramid is upside down. For example, a story telling a tale may begin like this. Once upon a time, there lived a young girl who... Magazine stories don't try to build up suspense, they put important facts first. For example, a magazine story may begin like this. Cinderella and the prince will marry on Sunday morning at the palace. The romance began... Step 5. Check. Check the facts to make certain they are correct. Step 6. Revise. Revise your story and proofread it. Step 7. Submit your story to the editor of your school magazine.